The warning charging system malfunction in your Mazda CX-5 has several common culprits, and some of them are quite DIY friendly and may cost you $0 to solve, or at least you can conduct the inspection on your own and spend no money on problem investigation in the dealership. So the first thing you should do when this happens, open the hood and look at the 12-volt battery. Check both terminals and then identify two things. Do they look normal or corroded? And also, can you easily twist the clamp with your hand? If they look corroded, the terminals will require cleaning. You will need to disconnect the battery, clean the corrosion with any available contact cleaner, and then retighten the clamps. If you can easily twist the clamps, it means they are loose and need retightening. Also, it would be nice to track down the wire connected to the negative terminal and see if the ground point doesn't look loose or corroded. If everything is fine here, and the next step is to have a look at the drive belt. This is the belt that rotates your alternator and AC compressor. Inspect the belt and check if it has good tension on it. Then start the engine and verify that the belt spins and rotates the shaft of the alternator without any problems or slipping. The next step is to check the health of your battery, since when the battery is about to die, it may still start the car, but the voltage in it drops significantly. For testing the battery, you may go to any big parts store, car parts store, and ask if they can test the 12-volt battery with a load tester. If the battery fails under load, it may be charged with an external charger and tested once again, but if it's older than 4 or 5 years, I would just replace it. Finally, this message may also pop up on the dashboard when your alternator doesn't work properly. In this case, it would be nice to find someone who can test the alternator and replace it if it's faulty. Also, before you pay your money for inspections, you may want to look at the wires and connections on the alternator and verify that they are all tightened up and don't look corroded. Unfortunately, alternator failure is quite a common fault with Mazda vehicles right after they are out of the standard warranty, but it's not the only culprit of this charging system malfunction message, as you can see.